Okay, for question 4D is the base unit or the base feature, which is the one that is hatched, right? Can be revolved. Okay, it can be revolved. However, I will be excluding these ball embossed features. Okay, so I will draw starting from this line where my mouse is, and I'll go up and I'll complete the profile. All right. I will not create the hole diameter 20. I'll use the hole command for that. And then I go on to add on the boss feature. I'll do just one, and I'll revolve the rest. Likewise, for the ribs, I'll do just one, and I'll revolve the rest. Then uh, for this extra lug here at the bottom, I will do an offset work plane and an offset distance from 25 mm from the center, and then I will draw the profile as similar that's shown here, and then I'll do an extrude to the cylindrical surface of the hub. Okay, so I start off with the revolve section, and I'll let you see the sketch of what I did. Edit sketch. Right, I created this and I extruded the emboss. You add all the dimensions and you ensure that the sketch is fully constrained, okay, before you revolve. After the revolved, I add in the fillet radius for both the inside and the outside. Then I add the chamfer, and this time round I created the hole, the 20mm hole, okay, which is this one over here, the diameter 20. Then moving forward, I create the emboss. The emboss would include a hole followed by a fillet radius, right? Then I'll use the polar array or circular pattern to create the other three parts. Now I'll come down with a rib. I'll create the first rib, and you need to add in the fillet as well, okay? And once you've got that, again you create another circular pattern. And the reason why the circular patterns are created separately for the ribs and the boss, because the ribs I okay, let's see over here, I only rotated it by 180 degrees, right? I only rotated it by 180 degrees. There are 3 units there. That's good enough for me. Next, I created the work plane. It's not visible here. Let's turn on the visibility. And it is offset from the center axis, which is the exact plane. Okay, so notice when I do my sketches and my drawing, I always try and orientate it such that it matches the question, right? This is the front view, the section front view, and then this is the end view. All right, or likewise, sorry, this is the front view and then this is the end view. So I always try and match, right? The front view and then the end view is on this side, looking from this side. So I always try to match the question. Now after I create the work plane, I created the boss, and if you were to look at the ending, there is a profile, and how that profile is achieved when you always end to face, right? Sorry, you extrude to face and I select this face. Okay, I don't give a fixed distance because a fixed distance would never match this, and it may, in certain distances, if the wall thickness of this is too long, you'll not be able to achieve it. Okay, so it's always to face. And after that, I created the threaded hole feature. The threaded hole feature is isometric profile M6. Okay, 6 millimeters of thread and 10 millimeters drill depth, 120 degrees drill. Okay, so then the next thing, okay, the last thing I added for the whole entire part to finish it off is the fillet radius. And always go about checking your work to make sure that you've got all the features covered, right? as you compare it to your question. With that, good luck with this drawing. I hope you have fun drawing it.